Good afternoon, children. Hope you all are doing good. Today's date is 18/6/2020. Day is Thursday. In previous class, we have seen two-digit numbers. Today also we will see the same. We have recalled tens and ones, grouping numbers. The abacus, we have learned how to do the numbers in abacus place to know the place values. Next, place value we have learned. Odd and even number we have learned. In today's class, before, after, between numbers also we have learned in two-digit numbers. In today's class, I will teach you how to compare the numbers. So, in today's class, we are going to learn about comparison of numbers. Yes, if you listen to me carefully, there are some rules to compare numbers. If you listen carefully, you can do 100% good in this comparison of numbers. Okay. Rule number 1. A two-digit number is bigger than a one-digit number. Always a two-digit number is bigger than a one-digit number. See here, 25 is bigger than 8, right? Like that, see here, T is called as tens and O is called as ones, right? See, tens place, ones place. Both, it has numbers. See here, tens place, one place. Only ones place have the number here. Like that, 25 has two digit. 8 has one digit. See here, 25 has two digit. 8 has only one digit. So, 25 is greater than 8 or 8 is lesser than 25. See here, you can compare 25 and 8. If you compare 25 and 8, it has two-digit number. It has only one-digit number. So, obviously, 25 is greater than 8. 25 is greater than 8 or 8 is lesser than 25. This is rule number 1 to compare two-digit number. Next. Rule number 2. In two-digit numbers, the number with the greater 10 digit is greater. Okay. For example, see, compare 87 and 24. We will compare 87 and 24. Both numbers have two digits. See here also 87 is two digit, 24 is also two digit. If you look here, see here, in tens place 8 is there, ones place 7 is there. In tens place 2 is there, ones place 4 is there. See here, both has two-digit number. Now what we have to do? We have to take first tens place. See here, in tens place, what is the number? 8 here. In tens place here, what is the number? 2. So we will compare tens place first. Okay. So compare the tens digit. See here, 8, 2. 8 is greater than 2. Therefore, 87 is greater than 24 or 24 is lesser than 87. Always when two-digit numbers are being compared, first we have to see this 10-digit number. In this 10-digit number, in tens place, which number is having more value, that one will be greater. 8 is greater than 2. So, 87 is greater than 24. See here, 87 is greater than 24 or 24 is lesser than 87. Okay. Again, rule number 3. In two-digit numbers with the same tens digit, see carefully, same tens digit, the number with greater ones digit is greater. See, for example, see here, tens ones. Here in tens place 6 is there and here also 6 is there. What you will do? First we will compare tens place only. No, if the value is different, then you can tell which is greater. Now what is happening here? The value is same here. See, 6 and 6. What we should do in this case? Now we have to move on to the ones place. Ones place which is greater, that number will be greater number. Here see 5 is there, here 7 is there. So what will happen? When we compare 67 and 65, both numbers have two digit, right? No, both number is having two digit. both number also have the same tens digit also. See here 6 and 6. So therefore compare the one digit. Now we are comparing one digit number. Which is greater, 7 or 5? Obviously 7 is greater. So 7 is greater than 5. Therefore 67 is greater than 65 or 65 is lesser than 67. Understood? No? When 10 digit have same number, then we should see one digit. Okay. I hope you all understood to compare the numbers now. Now we will move on to the exercise. We will compare and put the signs. Exercise 7, page number 10 in your textbook. Now you should open your textbook and you have to do with me. Okay. Take your pencils out, take your textbook and do with me. Okay. Fill in the correct symbol, greater or lesser. Okay. A sum 18, 31. 18, 31. See here. In tens place, 1 is here. Here 3 is there. So this is greater. 31 is greater than 8. So we will put the sign as like this. Okay. Next sum. See here 33, 44. In tens place 3 is there. Here tens place 4 is there. 4 is greater. So again 33 is lesser than 44. Here see 24 and 64. Here in tens place 2 is there. Here 6 is there. So 64 is greater than 24. Here see 22, 68. Obviously 68 is greater. I hope you all can do this, right? 34 is greater or 72 is greater? Yes, 72 is greater. Again 60, 70. So 70 is greater. Always first we have to always compare with tens number. See here. Always you should see tens. If tens value which is greater, that one will be the greater number. Okay. Here see 42, 16. Here tens place have 4. Here it is 1. So 42 is greater. Again 85, 40. Which is greater? 85 is greater. 28 or 82? 82 is greater. 36 or 63? 63 is greater. Let's see here. Here only one digit is there. Here two digits are there. What? Obviously one digit is greater or two digit is greater? Two digit is greater. 20 or 29. See here, tens place 2 here also 2. If both tens value have two same number, then what we have to see? Ones place. Here 0 is there, here 9 is there. Which number is greater, 0 or 9? 9 is greater. So 20 is lesser than 29. Okay. Here also see 1, 1. In tens place here also 1, here also 1. In ones place 0 and here 1. So in ones place 1 is greater. So 10 is lesser than 11. Here see 41 is greater or 14 is greater? 41 is greater. 75 is greater or 65 is greater? 75 is greater. 17 is greater or 71 is greater? 17 is greater. Okay. I hope you all understood this. See here. Now we will see ascending and descending order. Okay. We will see ascending and descending order. First one. Ring the biggest number in blue. Which color we have to ring? Blue color. And the smallest number in red. See here. Many numbers are there. 13, 17, 51, 86, 9, 23, 35, 44. In this, which is biggest? In this, which is biggest? Yes, which is biggest? 86 is biggest. 86 is biggest. So we have to bring it in blue color. Take your blue color pencil and ring it with blue color. Okay. Then, and smallest in red color. Smallest in red color. Which is smallest here? 13, 17, 51, 86, 9, 23, 35, 44. 44. See here, 9 is only one digit. So this is smallest. Okay. Same way here also. 93, 54, 28, 18, 42, 17. Which is biggest now? Which is biggest? 93 is biggest. So we will round 93. Which is smallest here now? Which is smallest here now? Tell me. Yes, 17 is smallest. So we are ringing 17. Okay. Yes. Then rewrite the numbers. Start from the smallest and finish with the biggest. Rewrite the numbers. Start from the smallest and finish with the biggest. So now we will do this. Okay. 35, 43, 22. Which is the smallest now? First, rewrite the numbers. Start from the smallest. Which is smallest here? Yes, 22 is smallest. Then, which is smallest? 35. Then, which is smallest? Smallest. 22 is smallest. Then, 35. Then, 43. Okay, smallest to biggest. See, 22 is smallest. Next is 35. 22 is smallest. Then 22 we have written. 35 and 43 if you compare, which is smallest? 35 is smallest. So we are writing 35 here. Again 43 is the biggest number. So we are finishing with the biggest number. Next same way. 56, 9, 17. 56, 9, 17. 56, 9, 17. Which is the smallest here? 9. Yes. 9 is written. Now we have to compare 56 and 17. Which is smallest here again? 17 is smallest. So 17 is, 17 number we are writing. Which is left out? 56 is left out. So we are writing 56 here. That is the biggest. Smallest to biggest we have written. Now see 63, 28, 79, 55. Which is smallest here? 28 is smallest. Again, 28 we have wrote 63, 79, 55. Which is smallest? 55 is smallest. Then 63 and 79. Which is smallest? 63 is smallest. Now, in all 79 is biggest. So we are writing 79 here. Okay. This is called the ascending order of numbers. This, see, from smallest to biggest number is also called as ascending order. When we do from smallest to biggest, it is called as ascending order. Now, start from the biggest and finish with the smallest. Now we have to start in the other way. We have to start from the biggest number and we should finish with the smallest number. See here, 73, 42, 55 is there. Which is the biggest number here? Yes, 73 is the biggest number. Next, 42, 55 is there. When we compare this both, which is the biggest? 55 is biggest. So remaining number is 42. Comparing this both, this is the smallest number. Okay. Next, 45, 51, 12. Which is the biggest number here? 45. Next, 45, 51, 12. 45, 51, 12. In this biggest is 51. Yes. Next, 51 we have wrote. So we have to compare 45 and 12. Which is the biggest? 45 or 12? 45 is biggest. Then left out is 12. When we compare this both number, 12 is smallest. Okay. So we are writing in the last. Now you see 18, 62, 77, 33. Which is biggest here? 77 is biggest. 77 we have wrote. Now you compare 18, 62, 33. Which is biggest? 62 is biggest. Okay. Next. This both we have wrote now. 18 and 33 you compare, which is biggest? 33 is biggest. Now left out is 18. Comparing all these numbers, 18 is smallest. So we have arranged from biggest to smallest. When we arrange biggest to smallest, it is also called as descending order. This is called the descending order of numbers. When we arrange small to smallest number to biggest number, it is called as ascending order. When we arrange from biggest number to smallest number, it is called as descending order. Okay. I hope you all know now comparison of numbers and you can do this sums. See here children. Now exercise 8. Arrange in ascending order. We told no ascending order means what? Smallest number to biggest number we have to do. See here, you can see from down to up we are going. From down to up we are going. So smallest to biggest. Okay. We will compare these numbers 13, 31, 43. Which is the smallest here? Which is the smallest? 13 is smallest. Next, 13 we have wrote. Now 31, 43. Which is smallest here? 31 is smallest. Next smallest is 31. Okay. Now left out is 43. It is the biggest number comparing these both. Okay. The same way. 40, 64, 34. 40, 64, 34. Which is the smallest among these three? 34 is smallest. So we will write 34 here. Okay. Then 34 is already written. So we will compare this both 40 and 64. 40 and 64. 40 and 64. In this 40 is smallest. Now among this both 64 will be the greater number. Comparing this all 64 will be the biggest number. So we are writing in last. 56, 19, 48, 63. In this, which is the smallest number? Yes, 19 is the smallest number. Next, 19 we have wrote. Now we have to compare 56, 48, 63. Which is smallest among this? 48. 48 is smallest. Next, 19 and 48 we have wrote. Now we have to compare 56 and 63. Which is smallest here? Yes, 56 is smallest. Okay. Next, left out is 63. When comparing this all four numbers, 63 is greater number. That is bigger number. Okay. So we have arranged ascending order. Now in the same we will do arrange in descending order. Okay. Descending order means it is from biggest to smallest, from up to down. From up to down means biggest to smallest. Okay. 86, 80, 18. Which is the biggest here? 86 is biggest number. 86 we have wrote. 80 and 18 is there. Which is the biggest? Comparing 80 and 18, 80 is biggest. Now left one is 18. Comparing all these number, 18 is the smallest. So smallest, biggest to smallest we have arranged. The same way we will do the B sum. 34, 45, 9. Which is the biggest number here? Yes, 45 is biggest number. 45 we have wrote. When we compare 34 and 9, which is the biggest? 34 is biggest. So we will write 34 here. Okay. Now the smallest. Comparing these three numbers, which is the smallest? 9 is smallest. So we are writing 9 in the last. Biggest to smallest we have arranged. That is descending order. See some. 93, 48, 17, 9. Which is the biggest here? 93 is biggest. So we are writing 93. Okay. Now 93 is already we have wrote. 48, 17, 9. Which is biggest? 48 is biggest. Comparing these three. Okay. Next 17 and 9. Which is biggest? 17 is biggest. Then with comparing all this, which is smallest? 9 is smallest. So we are writing in last. Okay. So over descending order also you know now. Ascending means what? Small to big. Smallest number to biggest number. Descending order means biggest number to smallest number. Ascending means smallest to biggest. Descending means biggest to smallest. Okay. I hope all understood how to arrange ascending order and descending order and comparing the numbers. So I'll end this class, dear children. We will see in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.